Alright, just wanted to show you guys my lapping device that I made here. This will be for case backs and bezels and such. This is my lapping setup on my Taig Lathe. I just built this out of I think it was a 1/4-inch aluminum discs that were roughly 6 inches. Machined them down, drilled some holes, added this arbor that just attaches right to the headstock of the lathe. And then I made this is just some 01 tool steel, about 30 millimeters in diameter, or not 30 millimeters, 7.62 millimeters in diameter, so it's about 30 caliber in American. And I just printed these brackets here to hold it in place, and this lapping device will slide along those rails. I do plan to add some bearings at some point so it's always centered. Basically what this thing can do though is now, once I get my angle set, it'll automatically just polish and put this bevel in here at this set angle. I've made this device here, just designed it in CAD, printed it on my 3D printer. This is a knob, so this thing can rotate, and this can be used freely just on a buffing wheel or whatever to just get a high polish on something, but this will just rotate it too once I get the angle that I need, and then I'll be able to lap it and put a perfect sharp edge on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and I'll show you how it works. Alright, I got the angle set. Don't know what it is in degrees. It's just set, matched up to the actual lapping plate itself here. I got the lathe set at about 200 RPMs here, and we'll go ahead and put a bit of a polish on this. Just kind of modulating the speed here with my finger. I wish I had a bit of a brake system set up for it. I can go more towards the middle here. Center of the wheel's moving slower, so See, we're getting a pretty sharp edge on this bezel, but not quite there, so just gonna see how it works, and we'll go from there.